Giving all praise to the Most High and His Son, Yahawashi. We out here waking up our people to who they is according to the Bible. That's right. Let our people know who they are. Hey, brother over there. Brothers. Hey, brothers over there. Y'all got 5 minutes? Can I talk to y'all for a minute? Y'all got 5 minutes? Brother, you got 5 minutes? Can I talk to you for a minute? I can talk to you for a minute, brother. People. Hey, sis, can I talk to you for 5 minutes? 5 minutes. I ain't gonna hold you up too long. 5 minutes. I can't hear you. 5 minutes. What's your nationality? I can't hear you, sis. Haitian? Is that your father? I can't hear you, sis. Okay, come. Sis, gonna come back. We gotta make sure we wake up our people according to the Bible.
Right. That's right.
Because we're going through these curses, y'all. But our people don't want to listen.
That's right.
Our people rather have a beer blunt and a barbecue.
Look it out.
Our people rather fight their own people. Kill their own people. Hate their own people. And the real enemy, they love. The real enemy, they ain't got no problem with.
Bring it out.
Our black people can come in and out this store and be mugged 15 times before they even go in the store.
Bring it out.
But Billy come in, walk right in, walk right out. They don't nobody bother him.
Right.
We have been indoctrinated to believe a lie.
That's right.
We have been indoctrinated to believe different things is not true.
Wake them up.
We trying to wake up our people.
That's
Hey,
right.
bro, you got 5 minutes, man? Can I talk to you for 5 minutes? 5 minutes, bro. All praise. Give his brother a hand. Somebody got time for his brother. They look just like you, bro. Somebody got time for their brother.
That's right.
Somebody got time for all praises, bro. Yo, man, let me ask you a question, bro. Because in our neighborhoods, man, it's too much hate, bro. It's too much hate. How you doing? What's your name, bro? Y'all let him through him. Shake his hand. What's your name, brother? Dre, how you doing, Dre? My name is Jesse. Let me ask you a question, Dre. What's your nationality?
The love. Let us love
American,
one another.
American, black, African American.
Love one another.
Just American. So what does the word American mean?
Everyone that loves is born of
Yeah, but where did that name come from?
He that loves not, knows not only means.
I'm just taking a look at something.
If you do not love your brother,
American. Amerigo Vespucci. White man named this country. You calling yourself a white man.
That's right.
But you don't look like you descend from no white man. So why is we calling ourselves that, right? What's another name they call us? Black. Who come? What color is your jersey?
Eyes up.
What color is your skin? So why are they calling us black? Why? They not brainwashing no other people except us.
That's right.
They taking so much money to brainwash us.
Right.
On my grandfather's birth certificate, it got Negro. On my father's birth certificate, it got color. On my birth certificate, it got African American.
That's right.
That's what I'm saying. Why is they keep changing our nationality? So how did our people get over here? Because we brothers. We brothers. Ain't nothing but love over here.
That's right.
How did the black man get in America? You won't believe what now? The people's what? Black for Indians. Come. But the Indians also came to this land. They was here first before the Americans, but they also came to this land. This land was uninhabited for a long time.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? So my question to you is, you say you black or African American. Give me Deuteronomy 28:15. No, give me Deuteronomy 76. No, drop that. Give me Deuteronomy 28:16. Shalom, brother. You know what we out here doing? Okay, we out here trying to wake up our people. What's your nationality? Well, it's not a belief. It's a fact. What people do you come? Everybody come from somebody. What people do you come from? I got it. What people do you come from? Israelites. You like you just looked at the sign and said that. Huh? So why you turn your feet to the testimony?
Bring it out.
About him. Our people came over here on slave ships. That is a fact.
That's right.
Our people came on cargo slave ships. Grandma may not want you may not want to believe it, but it is in fact, it's an indeed fact that our people, the so-called blacks, Native Americans, Hispanics came over here on slave ships.
Right, right.
And did you know that's in the Bible? Exactly. You know what a lot of stuff that pertains to? Just you. Just you, nobody else. Read.
That's right.
It's the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28, verse 68.
Bring it out.
And the Lord shall bring me into Egypt again with ships.
With what?
With ships.
How do we get over here?
With ships.
Most High God said He's going to bring us into Egypt again with ships.
Right.
5 and 6. Now Egypt got a synonymous bonding in the Bible. It don't mean the landmass called Egypt. It means something else. Read.
This is the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 5, verse 6.
Bring it out.
I am the Lord thy God, which brought thee out of the land of Egypt from the house of bondage.
From the what?
From the house of bondage.
From the what?
From the house of bondage.
It said Egypt means the house of bondage. What's another name for bondage? What's another name for bondage? Same meaning, just another word. Captivity, slavery, both those names is bondage. So in the Bible, when somebody say Egypt, it literally meaning slavery. Now go back to 68 and put slavery right there. Let's see if this sounds a little bit better for you. Read.
And the Lord shall bring thee into slavery again with ships.
With what?
With ships.
With what?
With ships.
Read.
From the way whereof I spake unto thee, thou shalt see it no more again.
Since we came over to this land, we have not seen our homeland.
That's right.
They say we're free, but when you set something free, it's able to go home. We're not able to go home, bro.
Teach.
We got to ask the so-called white man to leave.
Teach.
We ask for a passport. You know what he gonna ask you? Where you going, nigga?
Bring
When
it out.
you coming back, nigga?
Right. Bring it out.
Because we not Africans.
That's right.
Africans are not our people.
That's right.
They not our people. You from Israel.
That's right.
You a real Jew.
That's right.
According to the scriptures, you are a real Jew.
That's right.
Deuteronomy 76. This is what God has for you and for you, brother. Huh? Yes. Hitler was persecuting them because he knew they wasn't the real Jews.
That's right.
And they're walking around saying that they was. We are the real Jews. Let me ask you a question. If the so-called white man went into slavery on the slave ships, had the so-called Chinese man went into slavery on the slave ship, what about the Arabs? Nobody but us.
Teach.
Only us went into slavery on the slave ship.
Right.
Let me show you. Step in and say if you want to. But let me show you something. Let me show you how God feel about you.
This is the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 7, verse 6.
Bring it out.
For thou art a holy people.
For that what?
For thou art a holy people.
What are my brothers?
For thou art a holy people unto the Lord thy God. The Lord thy God has chosen thee to be a special people.
What is the blacks?
To be a special
What
people.
about the Hispanics?
To be a special people.
Native Americans?
To be a special people.
Read.
Unto himself above all people.
Whoa. Grandma told me we was created equal.
Above all people.
Say what?
Above all people.
Say what?
Above all people
Read.
that are upon the face of the earth.
That's how God said we above everybody on the planet.
That's
Who
right.
more faster than the black man?
Teach.
Another black man. Who jump higher than the black man?
Teach.
Another black man. Who plays sports better than the black man?
Teach.
Another black man. You see what I'm saying?
That's right.
We dominate everything. When it comes to science, we come up with inventions, and them Peckerwoods take the name. And say,
Teach.
we taught them everything.
That's right.
So if we are all equal, why is through science and geological, our genetic makeup, we better than everybody?
That's right.
Everybody. I see Becky injecting herself just to get a booty. I see the white man. I seen one white dude with dreads.
That's right.
They try to emulate us, but they can never do it.
Bring it out.
John 20:27.
Bring it out.
The kingdom of heaven is only for you, but you got to do something first. Read this.
This is the book of Joel, chapter 2, verse 27.
Bring it out!
And ye shall know that I am in the midst of Israel.
Not the whole world.
The midst of Israel.
Not the white man.
The midst of Israel.
Chinese man.
The midst of Israel. And that I'm the Lord your God.
He said he's the Lord your God. He ain't nobody else God, bro.
That's right.
All these people, these other nations, I brought it on that stove. He ain't their God.
That's right.
He's just y'all God.
That's right.
And none else.
Nah, everybody else.
And none else.
No, white man.
And none else.
He said he ain't nobody else God.
That's right.
And my people.
And who?
And my people.
And who?
And my people shall never be ashamed.
Ever be ashamed that y'all God's chosen people.
That's right.
Now let's get into some of these curses. Don't believe me. I'm gonna show you something. Give me Deuteronomy 28:15. I'm about to show you something that only our people can attest to. These scriptures is literally what we are living out today. Literally right now. Right now. Read.
This is the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28, verse 15.
Bring it out.
But it shall come to pass, if thou wilt not hearken unto the voice of the Lord thy God, to observe,
To what?
to observe,
Read.
to do all his commandments
Read.
and his statutes, which I command thee this day,
Read.
that all these curses,
That all these what?
that all these curses,
That all these what?
that all these curses
Read.
shall come upon thee and overtake thee.
Let's get into the first curse.
Read. Cursed shalt thou be in the city.
In every state, city in America, who's in the slums, the ghettos, and the impoverished communities? Us. He said we were going to be cursed in the city. Read.
And cursed shall be in the field.
Cotton field, tobacco field, sugarcane field. Who was in those fields? Us. Jump down to verse 30. See, it's only us. This Bible is only for us. Read.
That's right.
Thou shalt betroth a wife, and another man shall sleep with her.
Read that again.
Thou shalt betroth a wife, and another man shall lie with her.
Man, I just slept with that buddy girl.
Lie with her.
The Most High God said, a dude gonna have a wife or a girl, and another dude gonna sleep with her.
Wake them
Now, what
up.
nation of people portray that in the music, in the advertising, Instagram, Facebook? What nation of people produce that and promote that? Bro, I'm about to sleep with buddy girl. He don't even know. She was
Wake
just
him up.
slobbing on me last night. Why is the Bible saying another man gonna sleep with your girl? You see what I'm saying? Jump down to 37. I'm gonna give you some more curses. Read.
And thou shalt become an astonishment, and a proverb, and a byword.
Hey, what?
A byword.
African American.
A byword.
Black.
A byword.
Color.
A byword. A byword.
Afro-American.
A byword.
These are all bywords. Right. The Bible is still true.
Teach.
Every generation, in the next 10 years, we're gonna be a different race.
That's
We
right.
ain't gonna be called African American no more. Matter of fact, where did African American come from? Do y'all know? 1985 by Jesse Jackson.
That's right.
Jesse Jackson said, just call us African American. They said, okay. And they put it on our birth certificate.
Bring it out.
How old is you? 27. Your mama is older than her nationality.
That's right.
Your father is older than their nationality.
Teach.
They
Huh?
was born before 85, right?
Wake them up.
See what I'm saying? The Bible is lining up with everything. Jump down to verse 54. I'm gonna give you some more. Because can't nobody else testify to what's happened to us.
That's right.
It's only happened to the so-called black man,
Teach.
the so-called Hispanic man,
Teach.
and the so-called Native American.
That's right.
Read. This is the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28, verse 54.
Read.
So that a man that is tender among you and very delicate,
These Negroes out here, they soft, very delicate.
Bring it
They ain't
out.
fighting no more. They shooting,
Bring it out.
shooting at the mall.
Bring it out.
Down there on Meadowbrook.
Bring it
They
out.
soft and real delicate.
That's right.
his eyes shall be evil towards his brother.
Say what?
His eyes shall be evil towards his brother.
Black on black crime.
His eyes shall be evil towards his brother.
Blood versus Crip.
His eyes shall be evil towards his brother.
My block versus your block.
His eyes shall be evil towards his brother.
Read.
And towards the wife of his bosom.
He hate his baby mama, his girlfriend, always arguing with her. Read.
And towards the remnants of his children, which he shall leave.
Which he shall what?
Which he shall leave.
Which he shall what?
Which he shall leave.
Child support.
Which he shall leave.
Baby mama drunk.
Which he shall leave.
Most High God said we're gonna leave our kids.
Bring it out.
Does the white man going through this? What about the Arab?
Teach.
Chinese man? It's just us.
That's right.
Only us is going through these curses.
That's right.
You see what I'm saying? The Most High God ain't playing. He ain't playing. He wants y'all to come back to his laws, statutes, and commandments.
That's right.
12.
Bring it out.
we got to understand something. This book is not a universal book. Christianity churches can drop dead.
That's
You
right.
went to church before, right? You went to church before, right? Have they told you anything about yourself?
Wake him up.
Nothing about yourself. Nothing about the condition that we in.
Right. Read. This the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 10, verse 12.
Bring it
And
out.
now Israel.
And now who?
And now Israel. And now Israel. And now Israel. What does the Lord thy God require of thee? But to fear the Lord thy God.
You gotta fear God. Read.
To walk in all his ways.
Walk after God. Read.
And to love him. And to serve the Lord thy God with all thy heart and with all thy soul. To keep the commandments.
To do what?
To keep the commandments.
To do what?
To keep the commandments.
Read.
And his statutes, which I command thee this day for thy good.
The Most High God said we gotta keep his commandments.